The Masterclass event is a non-negotiable for me. I cannot miss it because every year I come and I get so motivated. I leave here with amazing friendships of like-minded people, which is really hard to find. You wouldn't think so, but when you're a solo entrepreneur and you're trying to start a coaching business, your friends and family don't get it, right? And so you come to an event like this and you're surrounded by people who totally get it. And they share their inspiration and support with you so that you feel like you're not alone. So to me, it's about the community. But wait, there's more. There's all these amazing guest speakers that really light up all the centers in your brain that you want lit up, and you're like, oh, wow, this is really great information. And the cool thing is they're accessible. They're able to answer questions that we have, and we can have ongoing relationships with them. I just come back from these master classes just full of inspiration, and I really have been able to take my business to the next level because of it. Hi, I'm Gina Verkamp, and I am a health and wellness coach. I live in Solvang, California, which is just outside of Santa Barbara, California. The Nutritious Life Masterclass is for any health or life coach that wants to up-level their coaching. It's also for those who want to up-level their own personal well-being and, up-level your life for the next chapter of your life, whatever that may be. It is for anybody who is interested in health and wellness and taking your life to the next level.